I don't generally do hauls, but I am just really getting into using the jelly plate and art journaling and printmaking and stuff. So I went on a couple of shopping sprees at Dollar Tree, and I'm super excited to play with all this stuff. And so I wanted to share it. But please, no, you never have to buy stuff for art journaling. That's the beauty of it, is you can use stuff that's laying around your house, stuff you're not using anymore, literal trash like junk mail or boxes. You don't need to buy anything. All right, first up, I have some wax paper. I'm looking forward to doing some wax paper resists, especially die cutting shapes out and using those as a resist. I think that's going to be a cool look, and I want to play with it. This is actually what made me go to the dollar store and start looking, because I knew they had these silicone, what are they, barbecue basting brushes type thing. So I wanted to get that and see how that would play with paint. And then while there, I just kept finding cute stuff. This rainbow paper it's so adorable. And there's 8 sheets. So this will be fun for backgrounds, all kinds of stuff. Shove that over there. All right, next is this comb set. There's all different kinds. There's one in the back too that it's harder to see, but it's 3 prongs. And they all have kind of different tips. So they'll all leave different width of strokes, and then different types of space in between. This one I might actually use as a comb. But the 3 orange ones, I'm looking forward to trying those out, making backgrounds and using them like a texture comb. I also grabbed some palette knives while I was there. These felt pretty sturdy, but they're not so, they're $1.25. So if I do something to mess them up, I'm not going to feel bad. So it was a good supplementation for the one palette knife that I already have. And I liked that I was getting, again, a variety. I got 3 different kinds, so I can try different things out. And I mean, at this point, I'm just walking through and grabbing stuff that looked interesting. There was more there, but I had to walk away. I had a little Dollar Tree budget. All right, so this is a facial cleansing brush. I liked the color. I like the handle. It's got a soft bristle brush on this side, which those are fun shapes. And then it's got this finer silicone squishy brush on this side. So I thought that could be fun. And even with the shape, even hammering or using it in different motions to create movement and texture. I thought that's holding promise. Got some masking tape because I've also been getting into watercoloring. I got a nice set of brushes and some nice paper to go with all the watercolors I've been collecting, and I wanted to start taping down my work. And then I believe this is it. All the rest of these. This was a holdover from when I used to teach art. One of the things, sorry for all the noise. One of the things I used to use all the time with my kiddos was bingo daubers. I was working with a lot of kids with different disabilities, and so this was an easy way for them to paint, an easy way for them to do dots or anything like that. So we would use bingo markers all the time to paint with. So once I started doing the art journaling, I decided I wanted to start messing with these. I want to get some other things too to play with in my art journaling, but now I kind of have a stash that I need to start using and playing with. So there's all those texture things, and look, it's everything. So yeah, if you're new to this, or even if you're not, maybe these are some fun things that you haven't seen at yours and they're new and you can go look them up. All right. I will do another video someday with me actually using these, I promise. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.